Hi guys, kukuha tayo ng grape leaves. Yan, ganito. Iwasan natin yung grape leaves. Yan. Lagyan natin sa boiling water. Here's our water. Lagyan natin ng konting asin. Palambutin natin. Good morning, guys. Okay, we will make kipepa or dolmades. So I do have beef and pork. Okay, let's add our onion. Pinisa ko lang ito sa olive oil. Okay, add our tomato. And then the parsley. You can add coriander. I add mint. Yan, mint. Let's add a teaspoon of cumin. And your cinnamon powder. Your rice, wash and cook. And then a little bit of tomato sauce. Okay, I add salt and pepper. Then let's mix. Okay, mix na. Magbalot na tayo. So, gupitin nyo yung tangkay. Ito yung grape leaves natin. So, parang nagbabalot ng lumpia. Yan. Maliliit lang to. Ayan. Actually, para tong yung sausage na ginawa ko. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay, yan. Okay, let's finish it. So, I put water, tomato sauce, and olive oil. I think luto na ito.